is just at the end of Soi 72 Sukhumvit, which is in the little area of Samwang Noa, which is technically sort of in Bangkok, but not. It's in Samut Prakan. That's where I am at the moment. And why am I here, you're wondering? Well, let me have a quick flashback for you and show you why. So what you're seeing here is me being shown a room at the Suranjay Mansions of Soi 6 Sukhumvit, and the lady was obviously showing me this room here. So as you can see, there's a small kitchen area with a microwave, kettle and a few other things. Then to the bathroom there, small but functional, everything there you need. Sorry for the shaky footage, I was just holding the phone with my hand there quickly. So there's the bathroom. Moving into the room a bit more. We've got this seating area here with a little table, look. Decent sized bed. Nice sized television with a side area there, look. The cable there, air conditioning. Not a bad room that, I don't think. There's the Wi-Fi. Moving round now to the balcony. That's the view straight across. Now for this room I was quoted a total, if you went for the cable television with internet, small storage area, total, it worked out, cut a story short, 31,600 baht in total per month. Now moving on now, this is the Omni Tower down Soi 4 Sukhumvit. And this is another room I was shown with the basic kitchen there, the microwave and the kettle. And this is, as you can see, a quick impromptu room tour, as I was shown by one of the security guards. Bed area there, look, and everything that you can see there. Nice storage there, nice little table and chairs there as well. This is the view straight out, looking up towards Sukhumvit Road. Quite a high floor, so not bad there. Now this was actually quoted at 37,000 baht a month, which was over my budget, but did come with things like parking and a couple of other amenities as well. So it might fit your budget, but it didn't really fit mine. But for a split second I was tempted. There's a bathroom there. But yes, that's another option that I looked at the time. There's the kitchen again. And a decent sized fridge and freezer there. So yeah, this is what 37,000 baht a month gets you at the Omni Tower. Now they did quote an add-on kit. And I sort of questioned what the add-on kit was. It was things like toilet roll, shower gel, and little things like that really. So I thought, oh, okay. But there we are. Just having a look through the cupboards there just to see what it came with. So I don't know if all the rooms have got those bits and bobs in. Room safe there, look. But this is a particular room that I was shown. So that brings us nicely up to date. So now I'll show you what I've just checked into via Airbnb. So let's go in and have a look, shall we? So as you walk in, this is what you're greeted with. You've got the buildings here, with a convenient 7-Eleven straight away. There's always a 7-Eleven wherever you go, isn't there, in Thailand? And I'm staying in a building that's around the back. So you go past the security hut here. Then when you come around the side there, past the security hut, this is the scene here in this large open area. all the various other buildings, and I'm further down there. So once down the end of that area, you're then greeted with this here. So it opens up between the buildings. You've got this open area here. I'm further at the end there. Then as you walk down a bit further, you've got this lovely pool area. Look at this. Very nice. When it's in the shade, excellent, look at that. And there's even a sign telling you more about the pool and what the pH level and the chlorine level is today. Look at that. All very nice, isn't it? Right, this is the entrance to the bit I'm at. As you come in, there's a laundry room here that you can use and a water machine there, look. And this is the door to get you to the lift and everywhere else. So you get your card, which has got the door key on it as well, and you touch that. And there you go. In we are. And there's the lifts. And here we are at my room. So let's open up. And this is the room. Just get in and shut the door. There we go. Right, there we are, look. So immediately there's that table side, whatever it is there. And we've got a decent sized bed with a chair in the corner there, look. Wardrobe there with a little table there with a mirror. As per usual, the normal routine with me, I have just come in, dumped the cases and got the camera out. So I haven't unpacked anything yet, but they've got this seating area here. And then opposite is a television with some storage there. Then we have a small but functional kitchen area. So with microwave and a kettle there. Decent sized fridge freezer. Just opening up the cupboards, there is some cutlery there with some plates and a chopping board. And underneath here we have another plate with some bowls there, look, and a multifunction cooker, which will come in handy. Then to the right of that is the bathroom. Standard sort of bathroom really, sink, toilet, there we go. And not a bad sized shower, so this will be great for me. And moving on to the small balcony, we've got one of these washing machines. Never used these before, probably really easy, but I never have, so I'll have to Google the model and the make name and see if there's some English instructions online. There probably is. It's probably really easy, but hey, might have a go at that. Then looking directly out, this is my view from the balcony. Not too shabby, eh? Very nice and serene down there, isn't it? And it's looking out. There we are. So there we have it, my first Air BNB booking. Never done that before. So far, looking good, I think. Not too shabby. Price at time of booking, £327. I'll put the conversions at the current rate on the screen and a couple of screenshots of the ad on there. And I've got it for 30 nights. So I don't think that's too bad. It works out, what, between, depending on the exchange rate, about £9 to £11 a night, which what I was looking for something a bit of a longer stay was something that was going to be cheaper than using even a budget hotel. And I've got much more facilities here than what I would have in a hotel room, of course. So no need to keep going out for food. I can go to a shop get my own ingredients and make something myself. And also having a kettle, which is so simple, but you know, it saves us sitting in coffee shops all day having a coffee. Plus also, if I work out how to use the washing machine,
You're a loser.
then I can do some of my own washing and maybe save a baht here or a baht there. So I don't think I did too bad really. And I wanted an area that was a bit quieter, and being down in this area, it's a different side of Bangkok or Sukhumvit Prakan that I've not really delved into much. So I thought this will be different area, different scene, different vibe down here. Plus also being right near Bering Station, it's only a few minute walk up the road. I can be in the centre of town in what I think it took about 20 minutes. What I will do is if I have to go back up there, I will time it, of course. So I'll come back to you on that one. But yeah, all very easy so far. No complaints at all. So yes, maybe you could try that Airbnb. I certainly hadn't thought of it before until someone suggested it the other day. So there we are. So until the next vlog, blackout.